To sew a pocket, the first thing you need to do is hem the top. So no matter the shape, it's got to be folded down 2 centimeters and sewn at that folded side. So put it on the 15, foot down, needle down, start, reverse, go to that short end, reverse, and then you'll do the same thing on the other side. Cut your threads. So fold it down, and you're folding toward the good side of the pocket. This fabric is the same on both sides, so it doesn't really matter. But a lot of fabrics it does, so you fold it down on the good, line it up, and then you can use your hands to pull out those corners. I usually stick my thumbs in, pull it around, really stick it out with your fingers. And if you're finding it difficult, you can always take the point presser to help you get those out at a nice angle. And then you're going to take it to the steamer and press it. So first you need to press the top or the hem of the pocket. And that should be pressed down 2 centimeters. And then you'll take the sides and press them over 1.5 centimeters. And you're also going to press the bottom up 1.5 centimeters on one side and then the other. Now I'm doing a 5-point pocket, so I've got to press the bottom up. So have a look at it before you sew it on and make sure it's nice, even and straight. Now I've got to sew the hem at the top of the pocket. So wrong side up, line it up at the 15, needle down, foot down, sew a few stitches, reverse back a few, keeping it nice and even at the 15. And reverse at the end. Once your pocket is hemmed and pressed, you can put it where you'd like it on your boxers. I chose the back and make sure they centered it, and I have it about 12 centimeters from the top because I know I'm going to lose 4 centimeters when I fold it over for the waistband. So I've pinned it just to the one layer, not to both. I free arm the machine and I'm going to slide it underneath. So I'm just sewing on the single layer. And I'm going to sew right on the edge of the pocket, as close to the edge as I can get. Feel free to put the clear foot on so you can see better. Take the first pin out, so I'll start, reverse. And again, keep checking underneath to make sure that nothing slides underneath. You want to sew in the one layer, the pocket to the back, or front or side, wherever you've chosen to put it. And you can put whatever shape pocket you like. It could be a heart, a star, or a traditional square. You could do a flap on it if you like. So now I'm pivoting. I've left the needle in, foot up. Made sure I put the foot back down. You never want to sew with the foot up. I pivot at that point at the bottom middle of the pocket. And again, I'm always checking underneath. The only part I'm not going to sew is the top, because you do want to be able to put your hand in your pocket. Take out pins when they're in your way, sewing as close to the edge as you like. And when you get to the end and reverse, you're finished. If you'd like to do a second row close to the first row just for decoration and to make it a little sturdier, you can, but it's optional. So you're going to be sewing 2 pockets. So you'll cut them out, serge them, hem them, pin them on, and sew them.